This is a Helmholtz racing exhaust, and it is one of the best mods you can do to your car. So you can hear the cam lobe. So let's go rip on it a little bit. Hermann Ludwig Ferdinand von Helmholtz was a German physicist and physician who made significant contributions in several scientific fields. The most important contribution he made was in the area of racing exhausts for cars. Helmholtz resonance is the phenomenon of air resonance in a cavity, such as when you blow across the top of an empty bottle. The theory of Helmholtz resonators is used in exhaust design to alter the sound of the exhaust note. One of the most annoying things about putting a race exhaust on a street car is that it often is accompanied by an obnoxious droning noise that resonates in the cabin. A properly designed Helmholtz exhaust can fix that issue. I removed my factory exhaust and then bolted on the Helmholtz unit. After I bolted the Helmholtz exhaust on, I went to the dyno to get the tune dialed in. I picked up an extra 7 horsepower at the wheels, and now the car is much more exciting to drive. So what you get is a great sounding exhaust that is loud when you get on the gas, but quiet when you are cruising down the highway. But yeah, cruising on the freeway above 70, nice and quiet. Herman said it best himself when he famously said, "With my new race exhaust, you can still piss off your neighbors while enjoying your car." That is all I have for you. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you enjoy your car.